Welcome to Skincare and Beauty Insight. Today we are going to talk about how to prepare for the big day. Let's begin. The first thing is the day before the big day is to take a warm and nice hot tub. Soak in for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and when you do, make sure you scrub everywhere else of your body. Your back, your upper back, your lower back, your back of the neck, your legs, your arms, everywhere else that needs to be scrubbed down. And you can also even use a body scrub, an exfoliant, to really scrub all over your body, to really get all of those areas nicely smooth and get all the debris out. After that, rinse, pat to dry, and apply moisturizer. The next step is to go in with a cleanser. Wash your face with a cleanser and then pat to dry. The next step is to apply a clay mask. Apply a clay mask all over your face, even including down to your neck and décolleté. You really want to make sure that this sits on for at least 10 to 15 minutes or that it's completely dry. And after, when it's been sitting for at least 10 to 15 minutes, go in with a warm washcloth and scrub it away. Make sure it's warm and it's clean and get everywhere else to really remove all of the clay mask. And when it's removed, make sure that your skin is really clean and dry, and then you want to go in with another exfoliant. Make sure you apply this all over your face, because sometimes clay mask only just has that is good for down to your pores. But you need an exfoliant, so you make sure you apply the exfoliant mask all over, let it sit till dry, and then remove with a warm washcloth, followed by a toner. Always use about 2 to 3 drops of toner onto a clean cotton pad and apply that all over your face. Follow up with a second one, because sometimes a cotton pad on a toner just drinks it all up and you're just really scrubbing with nothing else. So it's really nice just to go in with another one and really get all of the areas that needs to be toned down. Don't forget the neck and décolleté, because those are the areas that a lot of people tend to forget when they do their skincare. So make sure you really get down to your neck and past your jaw into your décolleté, because that's a very important area that needs to be also toned down. And then you want to go in with a moisturizer. Make sure you apply a moisturizer all over your face, and also apply a under eye cream on your under eye. Make sure to get on your orbital bone and everywhere else that needs to be applied for the under eye. And then the next step is to wax. You want to make sure that you wax your legs, and when you remove the wax, make sure that you remove it towards the hair growth so that it really removes the hair. And when you're done with that, you can go in with a tweezer and to tweeze those eyebrows to make it look really nicely and groomed and very clean. The next step is to wash your hair. You can do this at home, or if it's your big day, which it is your big day, I would definitely recommend to get it done at the salon. To have that nice massage, to really get all the dirt, the debris, the oil out from your scalp, your hair, to really make sure that your hair is completely clean, so that when you do your hair, to style your hair, you have best results, that you look fabulous for the big day. And then the next step is to color your hair, but this is optional. You don't have to color your hair, but if it is your big day, I would definitely recommend to color your hair, depending if the bride wants that or the groom. So color your hair to whatever liking, so that it looks fresh, it looks really new and bright, and just your best on your picture day, for the wedding of course, or any other big day. And the next step is to cut your hair. Obviously, it's done at the salon. you can't obviously cut your hair, but if you're good at it, then go, by all means, go for it. And then the next step is to dry your hair completely. Make sure your hair is completely dry to style your hair. You really want to make sure that your hair is at least 85 to 90% dry to style your hair. Otherwise, completely dry your hair so that it has good results to dry and to style your hair as well. And you can either do this at the salon or at home, but again, I'd say if you want best results to look fabulous on your big day, then to the salon is the best way to go. The next step is to style your hair. This can be done at the salon again, or be done by a friend that knows how to style hair. Otherwise, the salon is a great place to go and get your hair done, to do tests and trials and to find the right one for you. And then, of course, manicure is so important. You can either do this at home or get it done at the salon for best results. So you want to make sure that you wash your hands and then clip them, file them down, and then choose any kind of color to your liking. You can go in with a simple and clear color for that sheer, romantic, elegant look, or if you want to go all out and do those bright colors, then by all means go for it. It is your big day. You get to choose the color that you want for your big day, and nobody gets to ask you or tell you that you can't. So go for it. And then don't forget those toenails as well, because you never know. And also, don't forget to have your makeup done as well. Again, you can get it done at the salon or by a makeup artist or by a friend or by yourself. And then you're all good to go on your big day, sitting right across with your soon-to-be spouse. And whether it's for your big day or you're just celebrating with your girlfriends, like it's a bridal shower, you're there to have a good time with your girlfriends, to just celebrate each other and to celebrate especially the bride-to-be, and just to have a really good time and looking your best, and just to have to build that friendship, that relationship stronger. So it's always a good time to look your best on your big day or for a bridal shower or a bachelorette. Or if you're going to a friend's big day, you get to celebrate with them and for them on their big day. Either way works. Or it's a engagement party and you're there to celebrate for a friend, with a friend, and with friends around that you guys know each other. Or if it's just to have a good time with a celebration of some sort with family and friends. Or it's a get-together with a group of girlfriends or friends that you hadn't seen over 10 years ago, and you're just there to get to know each other, to catch up on life, to have a good time, and to learn each other again, and to really be present in that moment with those group of friends. Or if it's just a birthday party for yourself or for a loved one, and you want to look your best for yourself or for a loved one, then you're there to celebrate on their big day of their birthday. Or it's a celebration of some sort of a graduation, whether you're graduating of 4 to 10 years of college, of that master's or whatever it is, that you're there to celebrate with the people that you have gone to school with. Or you're celebrating with someone who has gone to school for so long and they finally graduated, and you're there to celebrate for them and with them, to have a good time with them and truly catch up, because all those days when they've been studying and going to school and maybe even working on top, you hadn't really catch up with them. So it's a good time just to celebrate for them. Or if it's like a dinner rehearsal for not a birthday party, but for a wedding, then those big days to prep for those rehearsal dinners are really important to get it right, to get it the top notch when it's like for the big day, and to really just make sure that you have it right, and to rehearse it over and over and over and over again until you get it the right way. Because honestly, those rehearsal dinners can be a hit or miss, so you really want to make sure that those rehearsal dinners are top notch. Or if it's not even for like a rehearsal dinner, and say it's like for just a family dinner, and that you're there to celebrate for a family dinner that you hadn't seen those families in a long time, and you're just having a good time for those family dinner reunions, and those big days could be it for that as well. So it really is a lot of ways to celebrate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you.